Alright, I'm using Chief Architect Premiere, but I'm fairly sure that all the Home Designer products are going to work just the same. So I've got just some sort of randomly drawn walls here, and this is what you do when you're copying a plan. You don't worry about exact dimensions. You just get it roughed into shape. And then you go back, and all you do is click on a wall, and let's say this wall needs to be 24 feet. Well, I'm going to enter 24 feet. This wall moved because it's attached to this wall, but this wall has to move. Let's say this wall needs to be 12 feet. So this wall is now 12 feet. This wall moved up. Let's make this wall 8 feet. You're probably working in metric, but you'll understand the. Alright, this one is 15 feet 1. Let's make it 16 feet. And again, this wall changed, and this wall moved because, again, it's attached to the end of this wall. It's got to move. So here, 23 feet. Let's make this one 24. And come around here. That one's 8 feet. Let's leave it alone. That one's 8 feet. Let's leave it alone. So as long as you know the length of all the walls, then it's really quick to do this. If you're working from the inside, you know, if you're doing a remodel or something and you measured inside rooms using temporary dimensions, these are temporary dimensions, they just show up. That's another thing, is that you should be using temporary dimensions. You need to turn off auto dimensions. The easiest way to do that is go over here to edit, delete objects, all floors, CAD, manual dimensions, and automatic dimensions. Delete those. They're not on here, but if they were, when you delete them, it asks you if you want to turn them off. They generally are just in the way when you're doing an initial layout. So anyway, if you want to do interior dimensions, click on this wall. Let's say this interior needs to be 24 feet instead of 23, so we'll just click this, 24 feet, and this wall moves. Nothing else moved, just this one wall. Let's say this needs to be 16 feet. 16 feet. Again, this wall moved. This one got longer. These controls, I'm fairly sure that, you know, all the Home Designer stuff has these things. I can move the left end, I can move both ends, or I can move the right end. The right end is the default. That's what normally moves. Let's say I want to make this 26 feet and I want to move this end over here. I can click this, 26 feet, and then this wall here moved because I extended the length of this one to the left. This side over here didn't move any. Again, once you experiment with this, it's pretty simple to move things around.